Hey everybody, this is Steve 87th and I'm here to open up my birthday haul. Got some earlier stuff. I don't know why this glass has a meet and greet on it, but apparently Sparky 107 is doing something May 19th through the 21st, I guess, in Colorado. I don't know, maybe it's kind of what we're doing. So let's see what we got. So first of all, we got a recycled package. I'm gonna make sure that you don't see any names, so I'll see what's in here. And this is a set of chopping knives. Awesome. Actually, this is really good. So these are the chisel knives. My wife's running camera tonight, so she's going to be quiet and not say anything. But yeah, so those came from... What? So these came from my in-laws, so thanks a lot on that. So there's a couple of hundred. Those are really good stabby knives, which is always nice. And then, yeah, it's not in the right bucket, but let's see what this is. Oh, look. It's a white shirt. So, at least I have a white shirt to sign in Greely. And then my in-laws must like me. They also sent me a birthday card. My cat's really excited about my birthday. Maybe, but cats are really tough to read. So we got that. That's kind of funny. You know I like my cats. Let's see what we got. Oh, we'll save that one for later. So this box says it's got batteries in it. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this says it's a beauty airbrush system. Also from my in-laws. So what is this in here? Well, I had actually asked for this because I found out when I was doing my last thing that my airbrush wasn't powerful enough, and this one's supposed to be 30 psi. So that should be able to allow primer to go through. So, and then plus, I have some other things that are happening to me in a little while, and I'll tell you guys about those a little bit later. So yeah, another portable airbrush system. That's going to be cool. And then, can you hand me that pen over there? This is another item. So let's see. This one's fragile, so I should probably be careful with it, right? Okay, this was done well. Yeah, I know a knife would be better, but I don't feel like getting one right now. Sorry, Sparky. No peanuts, just paper. Well, the cats will like that, though. They haven't had any new paper in a while. Oh! Just when I needed more of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 more train cars. And this is the easiest one to see. So these are center beams. So I got 4 more center beams that came in from Atlas. So those look kind of cool, and they're the master line, so they should be pretty detailed. That'll be nice. I don't want to open these right now because it's a little bit too hard. I don't have a knife. So that's cool. So that's just what I need. So that'll put me like almost 50 center beams now. Something like that. Now let's see. Another package. This one is from my sister-in-law's family, the boys, and my nephews. So on my wife's side. So let's see what we got here. Love these bags because we can use them again later. They're awesome. And the cats like them too. Oh, I can see the word Walters on them. Let's see. Ah, yep, that's what I thought it was going to be. So this is an HO scale split level house, which is going to be kind of cool because there's all kinds of split level houses out here. And I've got one of these, but this is going to be kind of cool because I can paint it differently. And I think they're going to get a den. So we'll get rid of the garage. And then last but not least, let's see what we got in here. This came off the thing today. It's from Amaze. Oh, look. This is a long sleeve shirt, just in case it gets cold in Colorado at the meet and greet. So there we go. That's my haul. Thanks for being the camera woman. And everybody, so like I said, this was my birthday. It was a big one. It was one of the ones with a 0 on it. And besides that, I'm actually starting a new job this next week too, starting on Monday. I'm not moving companies. I'm just moving within my company. One of the things that it's going to do is possibly cause me to travel a little bit. So with the portable airbrush, I can do some stuff while I'm on the road. So that's all kind of fun. So this is Steve87 saying thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys on the live streams. So remember to subscribe, like, and send this to other people. Talk to you later. Bye.